and Flatware, yes.
Yeah, you just can tell them, oh, I brought some beautiful decorations, so invite you to my house to enjoy. It's a kind of show off, right? Maybe you will do that, Vincent.
Yes. I don't have enough money to do that.
No, we have the categories for middle high end products range and some cheaper market as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We can meet at different markets.
Yeah. So maybe would you like to introduce how the category is produced? How we can make this out?
Firstly, we need to prepare the materials, and we need to make it into shape in the machine, and then we need to place it to the fork, or to the spoon, and make it the whole shape. As you can see, they just like very straight and without any curves or any.
Yeah. So it's flat, and then you can make it like this curve.
Yes.
To make more step.
Yes.
To form.
Yes. To form it.
Yeah.
And then we just do the polishing after that, because it's stays still, as you can see, it's very oily on the surface.
Yeah.
Then you need to clean it, and you need to polish it, and then after a few times polish, and you can see that's very shiny.
Like a mirror.
Yes, like a mirror. If you
don't need like this one.
If you need other finish like matte or sandblasting matte, that would be okay. We just need to do different finish from the machine.
Yeah.
Yes, as you can see, besides the color planting, we can also do the painting on the handle. As you can see, the PVD planting and the painting handle, there are two different process on the cutlery, on the spoon.
It's another kind of style, right?
Yes.
Look nice.
This is white painting, and this is rose gold planting here.
Ah, rose gold.
But one thing we need to point out, the painting might be a little easy to fall off the handle.
Oh, I see.
Yes. After you use a few use in the dishwasher. I think you guys can tell the difference between them.
The rose gold, I think we normally use like the accessories, like girls' necklaces or right earrings. Oh, it's so nice. So if I have a rose gold necklace, and maybe when I set up the display and to match one set, right?
Match for your outfit.
Yes, the fashion.
Yes, and another one is the one with a laser logo.